The Cardinal Scale Model 190 Storm Series weight indicator is the right product for your harshest of environments. This highly durable 190 Storm is the answer for most any extreme use applications. The IP69K polycarbonate case is resistant to high temperature washdown applications of up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius. The capacitive touch keys are sealed behind the clear, robust front panel. This feature makes the 190 resistant to harsh conditions and is protected from sharp objects. To enter setup, just simultaneously touch the function and units keys until setup is shown on the display. This provides easy entry into the setup menu for all calibration weight parameter settings and selections of the functions to configure the 190 for your customer's specific needs. The tare key is utilized as the enter key. Moving into the functions settings, you can easily turn on or off the function for the application required. Here we are turning off the option card feature OPT by changing the entry to 0 using the arrow up key and then touching tare to save the setting. There are selectable functions within this setup. You can only utilize one function at a time in the indicator. In this case, we are setting up the check weigher mode, so we are only interested in turning it on and deactivating all the other functions. At the end of the function settings is a selection for color. This will be for changing the default color of the indicator if check weigher and the color zone feature are not turned on. In check weigh mode, the amber, green, and red lights will automatically activate on the preset weight values. So for check weigher, we'll just say no for the default color. The check weigher feature is designed for the operator to easily change the accepted weight values for new products coming to the workspace. Shown here, the low weight setting is selected by holding down the function key. Touch the tare key to see the current weight value, and you may adjust the preset weights by using the up function key to scroll from 0 to 9, or move to the next numeral by using the units key. Once you have selected the proper weight for low and high weights, simply touch the tare key and you will go back to the weighing mode to check weigh the products. Cardinal's color zone feature provides instant notification of accepted weights when the weight display turns bright green. When product weight exceeds the accepted range, the display turns red to notify the operator that the product is too heavy. The Storm 190 comes in two distinct models, the 190 with a fixed AC power cord and the 190 DC for DC power applications. For the 190 DC, there is an optional watertight connector available for those who want to charge the optional batteries at a separate location. Both the 190 and 190 DC can accept Cardinal's lithium-ion battery pack. The 190 IP69K enclosure is made of a high-impact polycarbonate plastic material. The rear panel includes two watertight glands for power and the scale connection, and the clear front panel in which the main board is located, housing the display and capacitive touch keys. Two independent O-ring sealing gaskets are positioned in the 190 with 4 integral screws to protect from any water or substances from entering the unit. From left to right, the first of the removable terminal plugs includes all of the power input connections. The next one is for the 3 outputs for the check weigher or preset weight comparators, 1 function selectable input and 1 bidirectional serial port. The 190 includes an option slot for future communications abilities from the 190 to other devices. Next is the load cell connection terminals, accepting up to 6 load cell inputs with excitation voltage of 5.3 volts DC. The durability of the 190 Storm is the capacitive touch technology. Capacitive touch keys are activated through the clear front panel by creating a capacitive field that senses touch from the human body. Much like the new smartphones, there are no mechanical switches or membrane keypads to destroy. Shown here is a simple Mylar overlay keypad that is placed in the clear front panel of the 190. The clear front has red lights positioned to activate when a key is touched. This technology creates optimum reliability. Powering the standard 190 is the AC power supply mounted in the back panel for easy access. The optional battery would be located next to this power supply. The Cardinal 190 Storm is a technician's best friend for easy setup and serviceability, and the one most dependable for the harshest of environments.